This video is going to show you how to make peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. We have 2 bags of peanut butter cookie mix, 1 pound, 1.5 ounce bags, 2 of them. To that we're going to add 3 eggs to our 2 bags of peanut butter cookie dough mix, 6 tablespoons of margarine softened, 2 tablespoons of water. Then we're going to mix that all together in our mixer till it's all nice and creamed together. It'll only take a couple minutes. To our mixture, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soft peanut butter. Just take 2 tablespoons out of your peanut butter jar. Put it right in there. 2 heaping tablespoons. Just like that. We are going to mix that with our other ingredients so it's all nice and creamed together. Once that is all nice and creamed together, we are going to add 1 cup of mini chocolate chips and 1 cup of peanut butter chips. And then we're going to mix that in by hand. So let's clean our mixer off. Get all our dough in there. We'll mix our chips in by hand. Once you get your chocolate chips and peanut butter chips all mixed into the dough, just like that. See how it's covered with chocolate chips and peanut butter chips? That's the way you want it. Put all the dough mixed together. Then we're going to make balls and bake it in the oven on 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. Once your dough's ready, you just make it into balls. The ball to be a tablespoon of dough, and bake them on 375 for 8 to 10 minutes till they're no longer doughy. Our peanut butter chocolate chip cookies have just come out of the oven, and I cut one apart so you can see how nice and soft they are in the middle, and they're golden brown on the outside. And that is your easy peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. I hope you like my recipe and like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.